Good morning. I'm trying to get more. Sorry, I can't see for real. Okay. I'm trying to get more into talking in like the mornings. It is 7:08 now. I woke up. It's still dark as fuck. I got up at like 6 something, 6:40. I was supposed to get up at 5:50. I have a lot of stuff to go do today. I am about to head to the gym though, and then I'm running kind of late, so I will tell you guys more about the plans when we get out of the gym. But thank you guys so much for coming along with me on another video. If you do like it here, if you do enjoy being here with me like I do with you guys, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be part of the village, be part of the family. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. Let's get this Celsius. Let's get this yogurt drink. I'm out of the shower. It is 9:30. So let me clear something up. When I make these videos, I say that it's my like morning before my 9 to 5, but my 9 to 5 is not like the hours 9 to 5. But I only work 4 days a week instead of 5 days a week, so I work like a 1 to 11 type of situation. So just want to say that because I'm about to say it. The time is currently 9:34. I'm also gonna like make myself some breakfast. I need to go get my oil changed, and I don't know how long it's gonna take, to be honest. Actually, I should probably see how far away. Okay, it's 15 minutes away. Okay, there's a Sonic over there, so more than likely I'm gonna get Sonic because I left my charger, my freelance job that I need for my laptop, and I need that charger because I really need to edit. I need to make quick. And guys, I really love this Bioma hydrating serum. I'm almost out, but I've been using it for so long now, and in retrospect, I feel like this is such a like, this makes my skin feel the best like next day type thing. But I don't know if I want to rebuy it and see if I can find another like hyaluronic acid type situation. I have to hit my charger because I can't do literally like anything. My laptop is dead, and since I got a new laptop a little bit ago, I don't have the extra chargers like I normally do, so I need to go get my charger. And on top of that, I have to get my oil changed or whatever. You know what the gag is? I really played myself because I should have gotten up at 6 like I originally planned to when my alarm woke me up originally, and then I didn't. And I know some of you may be thinking you're sitting here yapping, wasting time, but we're multitasking. So more than likely, I am going to go grab the charger, then go straight from there to maybe get some breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna get some breakfast because I don't have time to really make food because I woke up late. And then I feel like I spent a lot longer time in the gym than I normally do. But anyway, I'm babbling. I need to go do that, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be my day. I don't think that I'm probably gonna pick up something like super easy to reheat for lunch also for when I get to work, because I was gonna pack my lunch, but I don't have any like ice packs things. Actually, that's a lie. If I go get my charger now, I can come back to get my lunch after. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Look at us figuring stuff out together. It's raining outside. It's been, I feel like the weather has been kind of crazy. Let me give you guys an update on these boho braids. I think I talked about this. I love this style. I just hate boho because it's just, it gets so tangly. And the people who be saying it don't get tangly, I really don't know how. I feel like I've taken care of them. I literally spray them every day. I tried to do the leave-in conditioner and water. I feel like that didn't help. I did a mousse one day. That made it worse. All this kind of stuff. But yeah. Anyway though, after I get my oil changed, now I know I'm going to come back home, pack my lunch, and then head out for the day. I don't really have a busy day. I thought that, or not have a busy day, I'm literally just gonna go to work or whatever, and that's gonna be it for my day. When we get to Walmart, I kind of wanna like pick up some car fresheners for my car, and then I think I told y'all earlier, I got a ticket because of my registration. So I was going to do all that today, but it looks like I'm going to do that tomorrow, which means I have to wake up early. But I'm going to like have to legit wake up early tomorrow because I have meetings and stuff. I have to podcast as well and edit. I am delayed in my podcast. I'm about to be off next week from my 9 to 5. So that's going to be really great because it's going to give me time to just catch up on all the content that I do need to catch up on and get exported. I thought I was starting school this week, but I'm actually starting school next week, or on Sundays when my semester starts. And so because of that, that's going to give me a lot of time to just catch up on the stuff that I need to catch up on as well. I want to make sure all that's out the way so when school starts I can just get right into school and then just start planning as things come in instead of like planning on a backlog. I'm about to get dressed really quick, hop into the car, head over to get my charger, then go to my oil change. So I just got to Walmart. Guys, I was told, I'm getting my oil changed at Walmart, and I was always told that it's like a lot cheaper, but the hell was $60. And I don't really think that's a lot cheaper, to be honest. I'm here getting a couple like grocery things that I need, and it's 10:40, so hopefully they're done by like 11:10ish instead of 11:30. Yes. Oh my god, these Halloween bags are so cute. Everything, so I'm about to do that before and while I wait for like the oil change, because technically I have like 40 minutes. I just got back home. It's about that time for me to get ready to go to work. So I am going to throw in some of the Trader Joe's griddle cakes that I have just recently been eating. I'm gonna throw some of those into the microwave, and then I'm going to make a coffee in the new cup I just got. I'm gonna pack my bags and get ready to go to work. So, but yeah, if I don't see you guys again before the end of this video, thank you guys so much for following along with me in this realistic morning before my 9 to 5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post, and if you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be right here, as well as in the description below. Okay, let me finish out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!